This Swansboro Port Realty property video is presented by Lori Hageman, Broker Associate, Property Manager. End unit. Very clean 2-bedroom 2 full baths 1-story end unit townhouse. Features large privacy fenced backyard. 1-level open floor plan with electric fireplace. Washer/dryer hookup closet off kitchen. Laminate flooring in living area, ceiling fans throughout, carpeted bedrooms. Pets negotiable. No aggressive breeds. For more information, review the details below or contact Lori Hageman, Broker Associate, Property Manager at 910-326-8855.